Bangladesh is one of the fastest growing economies with a current rate of 7.1%. A major contributor to this high growth rate is the textile sector, accounting for 81% of total export earnings of the country. The textile industry is the bedrock of the Bangladesh economy, with exports of close to $28 billion, making it the second largest exporter in the world. Back in the 80s, the sector had the vision to tap the export market in USA and European countries, and has since been working closely with the strategic partners to strengthen competitiveness in the global market. The textile industry, however, is a resource-hungry sector, causing groundwater depletion and environmental pollution. To remain globally competitive and address the growing demand for green products, the industry stakeholders are actively engaging to address these environmental challenges. IFC, a member of the World Bank Group, is the largest global development institution focused on the private sector in emerging markets. In Bangladesh, the textile sector is a major focus of IFC.
The International Finance Corporation is focused on the sustainable development of the textile sector in Bangladesh. The PaCT program is a global flagship in this space. IFC has invested $66 million in textiles in Bangladesh, and globally we've disbursed $1.2 billion through supplier financing in textiles. In Bangladesh, the PaCT program demonstrates that sustainable business practices like cleaner production increase competitiveness. This also contributes to the national goal of a $50 billion industry by 2021. PaCT partners demonstrate that cleaner production makes business sense.
Bangladesh PaCT, Partnership for Cleaner Textile, is the largest advisory program led by IFC, funded by the Embassy of the Kingdom of the Netherlands in Dhaka and supported by private sector partners and BGMEA that focuses on cleaner production in the textile industry.
PaCT is a holistic program that not only works with the factory units, but a broad spectrum of strategic partners such as Bangladesh Garment Manufacturers Exporters Association, leading global international brands, technology vendors, financial institutions, and other key stakeholders to stimulate the notion of cleaner production in the textile wet dyeing finishing sector. PaCT is a very good example of how different stakeholders can be brought together behind an important and challenging agenda whose implementation requires multi-stakeholder engagement.
PaCT is built around 4 strategic areas: brand engagement, factory-level engagement, sectoral transformation, investment facilitation. PaCT's advisory services to its 200 wet dyeing and finishing partner factories have led them to achieve impressive resource savings. Water savings of 21.6 billion litres of water per year. GHG emissions avoided 460,428 tonnes carbon dioxide per year. And these savings help the factories to reduce their water consumption by 21% and energy consumption by 19%. The program developed capacity of service providers, held 364 training sessions, and so far trained 4,061 factory personnel. Through PaCT's advocacy platform, Bangladesh Bank developed $200 million of Green Transformation Fund. BGMEA has been supporting the industry to become more environmentally responsible.
As apex state body, BGMEA involved in many initiatives to ensure sustainability of the RMG sector. We are happy to be an implement partner of the PaCT program. Through PaCT, we are supporting the sector by improving its efficiency and environmental sustainability. Textile Technology Business Center, a business-to-business platform, is also praiseworthy initiative of the PaCT program to support the environmental sustainability and activities of the sector.
Textile Technology Business Center, TTBC, is helping to bridge the knowledge gap in the sector through development of knowledge tools, facilitating business-to-business linkages, help desk services, and capacity building of factory personnel. TTBC organizes user group meetings to share best practices on cleaner production, learning series to showcase key resource-efficient technologies, training sessions to empower workers and mid-level managers. PaCT's intervention has helped raise awareness on cleaner production.
প্যাক্টের মাধ্যমে মাইন্ডসেট আমাদের চেঞ্জ হয়েছে এবং প্রসেস টাইম আমরা অনেক সেভ করেছি এবং এর ফলে আমরা আমাদের উৎপাদন অনেক বৃদ্ধি করতে পেরেছি এবং সাথে সাথে আমাদের উৎপাদন ব্যয়ও অনেক কমেছে।
Esquire has adopted IFC's PaCT program and especially the low cost, no cost effort that has been introduced by them, and we have significantly saved a lot by doing by taking very simple measures, which was actually kind of an eye opener for us, and from that we have taken further initiative by ourselves and we have made a lot of savings. And actually I think Bangladesh is also saving a lot, and especially our environment and the social impact on this one is great, and we really appreciate the effort that has been taken care that has been introduced by IFC's PaCT program.
PaCT has introduced a number of cleaner production best practices for its partner factories, like metering, lab-to-bulk RFT, exhaust gas boiler, low liquor ratio dyeing machine, heat recovery instenter machine.
We actually thank PaCT for this reason, because of they make our process more efficient in energy aspects and different aspects, which is reducing our cost in long term. Thank you very much, PaCT and TESCO. Thank you.
Sustainability plays a vital role in our organization, and PaCT has given more momentum into it. Since joining PaCT program, we have reduced 17% of water uses, resulting 1.4 billion liters of water, which can meet the daily necessity of 15,000 plus families. We have reduced chemical use by 12% and energy 25% to produce 1 kilo of fabric. No doubt, PaCT has brought in a revolution in the textile industry of Bangladesh.
PaCT has introduced and developed a diagnostic tool, PaCT Advantage, that focuses on building and implementing the foundations of an effective management system. Leading global apparel brands partnered with PaCT to achieve their shared vision of a more resource-efficient industry.
H&M has been working with Partnership for Cleaner Textiles for the last 4 years. During this time, we have engaged all textile dyeing and washing factories in the project. Partnership for Cleaner Textiles has helped H&M's business partners to significantly reduce the water, energy and chemical consumption throughout the supply chain. PaCT has also given us access to important platforms such as Textile Sustainability Platform. H&M's vision is to become 100% renewable and circular by 2030. We believe that PaCT play a crucial role in achieving our goal and making Bangladesh textile and apparel industry more sustainable.
To implement best practices in the industry, investments are an essential requirement. PaCT has been actively facilitating resource efficiency financing through its partner financial institutions.
As a part of our vision in promoting sustainable business practices, IDLC have partnered with IFC's PaCT program back in 2016. Under this partnership, PaCT has supported us in developing a unique market strategy of green financing. IDLC has visited PaCT partners' factories to meet their requirement and interventions.
Thanks to IFC PaCT, that we have been able to access a very attractive green financing fund. As PaCT has not only helped us guide in our cleaner production journey, but also helped us to avail financing for the implementation of this measure.
As a result of PaCT's efforts, Bangladesh is making progress in achieving its environmental goals.
IFC's PaCT program over the last 4 years has made significant increase in the compliance regime, particularly in the environmental regime of the industries in the textile sector. During this process, there has been significant decrease in the water, energy use, as well as chemical use. This overall has contributed to about 13% reduction in greenhouse gas, which has significant contribution to the SDG 6, which is water and sanitation, and SDG 13, which is climate action. With this achievement behind us, IFC should continue the process of taking this initiative forward to other industries and taking it further and deeper in the process.
PaCT in future will focus on the entire value chain of the textile sector of Bangladesh. Thanks to the partners for their contribution and continuous support.